Here's an example of the meaning of a confidence interval. A paint manufacturer made a modification to a paint to speed up its drying time. Independent random samples from 11 cans of type A, the original paint, and 9 cans of type B, the modified paint, were selected and applied to similar surfaces. Let mu1 be the average number of minutes for paint A to dry, mu2 be the average number of minutes for paint B to dry. A 95% confidence interval for mu1 minus mu2 is given as this. What does the confidence interval suggest about the population means? And look at all these crazy answers. I'm giving you a million answers to help you to really be clear, so when you get to the test, you're super clear. Well, notice that what we're talking about is a subtraction between two things. And we know the answer is somewhere between 200 and 260. What does that mean, logically, when you subtract two things and get a positive answer? Right, first off, you see that's a positive answer. Right, it's an answer somewhere between 200 and 260. So say 0 is way over here on a number line. We're saying the answer is somewhere between 200 and 260. Well, if you're between 200 and 260, you're all the numbers between 200 and 260 are positive. So we're saying mu1 minus mu2 is a positive answer, right? We're 95% sure that mu1 minus mu2 is some number between 200 and 260, that the true average, mu1 minus mu2, is, we're 95% sure it's between 200 and 260. If you're between 200 and 260, there's only positive numbers between 200 and 260. So we're saying that mu1 minus mu2 is positive. What does that mean? How do you subtract two things and get a positive answer? Like 10 minus 7 is positive 3. The first number has to be bigger, right? It means mu1 must be bigger than mu2, right? The first number must be bigger. Sorry, I'm not making that very nicely. Right? That's what it means. It means the first number must be bigger. That's the only way you can subtract two things and get a positive answer. If the first number is smaller, like 6 minus 8, you'll get a negative answer. The first number can't be smaller. That can't be right, right? You've got to have the first number bigger to get a positive answer. And we got a positive answer. How do we know? Because it came out between 200 and 260. That's what that interval says. We're 95% sure that the subtraction comes out to be between 200 and 260, meaning it's a positive answer, meaning the first number's bigger. Okay, so let's read through our options. The confidence interval includes only negative values? No, it doesn't include only negative values. It includes only positive, right? These are only positive numbers, positive and positive. The confidence interval limits include 0? No, it doesn't include 0. 0 is not between 200 and 260. 0 is way over here. Includes only negative? No. Includes 0? No. Includes 0? No. Includes 0? No. We're flying through these now. Only positive, only positive. Yeah, that's possible. Only positive, and then get rid of that only negative. So it's got to be one of these three only positive, right? Because our interval has only positive numbers. So what does that mean? Which suggests that the mean for group A is larger. Is that what it means? A comes first, right? A is the original, right? This is A and B. It means mu1 is bigger. Yeah, the first group must be bigger. That's when you subtract and it comes out positive. It means the first one's bigger, which we're calling A the first one, B the second one. They said it right here. A is the first one, B is the second one. Right? A and mu2 is B. Right? We're taking mu1 minus mu2. Mu1 is A, mu2 is B. So, yeah, A must be bigger. That's right. Wait, where was it? I just lost it. A is larger. Yes, that's correct. What did the other one say that was wrong? The two populations are unlikely to be equal. Well, yeah, they're not likely to be equal. There does not appear a significant difference. No, there does appear to be a difference. A is bigger. No, that's wrong. The confidence interval includes only positive. It's just the mean for group A is smaller? No, not smaller. So there we go. A is bigger. And by the way, this is in the exam notes. Let me show you where that is as well to help for the exam. So right here, let me grab them, the exam 2 notes. Exam 4 notes say that also. Meaning of a confidence interval, right down here, number 4. If it's meaning of a confidence interval, if it's all negative, zero's not in there, implies that what? The first one's lower than the second. If it's all positive, that's what we had, implies the first one's bigger than the second. That's what we said, A is bigger, right? And if you have both negative and positive, then it might be 0, no confidence. It might be the same. That would be the other conclusion. So there we go.